Everyone, welcome back to my channel Optimizer. So in this video we are going to see this component. Okay, so if you just see, this is totally hollow component having 5 mm thickness. The thickness are as given as 5 mm. So how to draw this? Okay, so if you take a top view of this one, so there is some semicircle and which is connected by some straight line. So from which direction you need to start? We can't start from this direction or this direction. You can start from Z direction, then you can pocket this part. So around 4 steps required to complete this part, 4 to 5 steps. Okay, so I'm going to start from top view, where I'm going to draw semicircle first of diameter is given as, if you just see, this is R65 diameter is there. So just give dimension is R65, so radius is 65, correct? And after that just draw, select this circle and this line and make this tangency, and select this and this, make this tangency. Okay, now you can trim all unnecessary parts. So we don't require this part, and also this part. Okay, and total length of this is 115. So you can define the length total from this point to this point, it is 115. Okay, so this is only the top view we have completed. Now you need to pad it by total, this pad is around 115 again, so pad it by 115. Okay, so this we have completed as a first part. Now let us activate the edges. Now if you just see, there is a slope is there which is start from around 25 mm from this, and which has an angle of 45 degree. So how to draw that? So for that, again you need to select this front plane. Okay, now you need to draw a profile which starts from here, which is horizontal line, then inclined line, and we are going to just close this geometry like this. Okay, so we know this angle is 45 mm already given, this distance is 25 which is already given, and this point and this point are coincident, correct? And now this is extended, no problem, it may be extended because it should be cut this body, that is our main thing to create that one. It should be horizontal, and you can give a random dimension. So there is no specific dimension defined for this. So for pocket purpose we have created this sketch. Now click on exit workbench, and now you can pocket it, mirror extent up to next. Just give dimensions and mirror extent and just click on OK. Okay, so we have created this one. Clear? So we have just trimmed this one. Now next part, you need to make a hollow structure of this one. So how to make hollow structure? So for that you need to use shell command. Okay, so where the shell command is, here go to shell command, and default thickness is given as 5 mm, that already we have discussed. So enter 5 mm here. Faces to remove, we need to remove this face and this face. So this is inside thickness, and just click on OK. Okay, so this is totally hollow portion is created, and just click on OK. Clear? Now next part, there is one hole of 70 mm diameter, which is start, this center of this one is around 60 mm from this top portion. Okay, so again sketch on this face, draw one circle exactly at center. The radius diameter of this one is given as 70, so diameter is 70. So we missed something, it should be just enter 70, and from this edge it is at, just see, 60 mm. So it is 60 mm. Okay, now exit workbench and just pocket it up to next. Click on OK. Clear? So we have finished this pocketing. Now last part is creating these hooks. Okay, so if you just see, this is actually elongated hole only. So I'm going to draw a sketch on this plane. Just bring that to window. Okay, now create a elongated hole like this. Okay, and this is around R13. So R13 means this should be 6.5. No, we have missed it. It is R13 means this should be R13. Okay, it is 13 actually. Now dimensions are given. This has a thickness around 10 mm, and from this it is at 50 mm diameter, 50 mm distance. So from this one is at 50 mm, 50. Okay, and one more thing, if you just see, it is around 165. Center distance is 165. So this center is around at 165 divided by 2. Okay, now you can project this and this part. Okay, and now you can trim all unnecessary part. So trim this portion, this, and also this portion. Just make this line as vertical. Click on OK, and one more line we need to trim, that is this extra portion. Okay, so there is small hole again in that one. So that hole diameter is around 10.5. 10.5 is diameter. So exactly at this location there is 10.5 mm diameter is there, that is 10.5. and just click on exit workbench and pad it by, total thickness is 10 mm given, so 10 mm. Okay, so this pad is completed. Now we can mirror this pad to other side like this. Okay, so we have completed this part, and now last step is this one. Okay, so if you focus on this one, again thickness is 10 mm and 5 mm is above this width. Okay, so you can sketch on this face. You can use same elongated hole like this. One small hole is there of 10.5 mm diameter. This one is, this distance is already given, it is 13. Okay, and now if you just see, the distance of this distance is around this distance, the outer distance, this total from this center to this, it is at 30, that is 30. Okay, so let us give that distance. So just draw one line like this, and now you can trim extra portion like this. These are extra portions, and this distance from this to this, it is 13 mm, not 13 actually, 30. Okay, and we have not provided the horizontal distance till now, that's why it is under constraint. So if you just see, we need to find out the distance. So if you just see, from this center it is at 70 mm this distance. Okay, so just give dimension. So from this distance, this radius, that is horizontal radius, is 70 plus this, that is 70 plus 13. Is it correct? No, it is only 17 plus 13, that is, yeah, correct. So it should be horizontal again. Okay, so this distance is given as 70. Okay, now we finish. Just click on exit workbench, and now you can pad it by mirror extent of 5 mm. Click on OK. So we have finished this component. If you just compare this and this, there is small fillet is given as R25. You can provide that fillet. So on this edge, R25 fillet is there, like this. Now if you just smooth this, it will be like this. Okay, I hope you understood this. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you. We'll stop here.